Go check out White Gucci, Gucci with a Y, on iTunes, Spotify, Instagram, YouTube. He's got a couple videos. And now you're watching the new episode of Cars for Y'all with Spooky.
What's up? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Spooky. Cars for Y'all, bringing them to y'all. It is the end of the season. I have decided to show y'all Cardi B for the end of the season. She is about to be moved to another location. We new things coming for her. We got new events coming over at the car wash. Y'all know what it is, Junior One. We got some new stuff going on over there. Y'all see what it is. Good promo. Shout out to my cousin. He got a shoe page, Good Kicks. He got a shoe page called Good Kicks. I'm showing y'all Cardi B, like I said before. My channel is for everybody else, car. I want to show everybody else's hard work and, you know, let people know what other people got going on. So by being the end of the season, I am going to show y'all Cardi B on my channel and let y'all see what I did and how I came up with something. We're going to make this video quick. We're not going to do this long. I want to give another shout out to my man, Mr. Do-It-Yourself Customs. Follow his channel. You know what I'm saying? He got a nice colors over there. He really detailed in his videos, showing y'all how he do stuff himself. Y'all can learn something over there. So, you know what it is, your boy Spooky. Cars for y'all, bring them into y'all. And follow me on Instagram too, at The Real Spooky. So, y'all know what it is. Good promo, good kicks. Y'all know what it is. Stay tuned. Yeah. Hey, oh yeah. Before I leave, shout out to everybody that's been subscribing, liking, commenting, showing love. I've actually been reading everything. I've been seeing them kind of late. And I really like, yeah, okay. So, yeah, we doing this. So, next summer, we got a lot of cars coming out. And I'm going to bring y'all the cars. Like I said, cars for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, stay tuned. All right, let's go in the garage and see what we got going on. Yeah. There we go. Cardi B. I'm going to, like I said, we're going to make this video quick. I'm not going to do a super long, retarded video. We're going to do this real quick. Try to do this real quick, man. Sixes. I got the floating caps, but I switched them up. These are done by Spray God 313 on Instagram. If y'all want to know who that is, we did that. We came up with this color. I'm just gonna do this real quick. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be like super quick. I see the shirt, good promo. Spin gang crazy, y'all know our squad. Yeah, she is. Everybody we wanna, you know, like I said. Headlights. I'm gonna show you these headlights too, real quick. I'm gonna do all this. See this? All this on the switch. Just hit that switch. You know what I'm saying? And give you the halos. I wired it myself. You can have it where the headlights is on with the halos, or you can have it where they're not on with the halos. Like, you can do it any way you want. But I put everything on switches for a reason. See, that shit's flipping, boy. Like I said, we're gonna do this quick. T-tops, of course. Shout out to Motor City Horsepower. We're gonna bring that back one of these days. Debo now. I came up with this scheme myself. This entire scheme that's in here, I came up with myself. This is on the switch too. All the lighting is on the switch. Yes, I have a bar in here. Everything says Patron because I drink Patron. I'm damn near sponsored by the asses. My headrest light up. Everything say Patron in here. There's nothing that doesn't say Patron. Got Patron on the beer. This is my daughter. Build a bear. Yeah. Got the yeah. Everything is done. There's nothing not touched. See, my third brake light is touched. It's nothing not touched. All the Patron shot glasses. Told you we're gonna do this. All this is Patron. Everything in there says Patron. We're gonna do this quick. But yeah, I got speakers everywhere. It's kind of dirty in here. For your iPhone holders, let me turn these off. See this? I want y'all to see this too. This is how much I really fucking drink Patron. My fan, my dual fan switch. Hey, where's this other switch at? My dual fan switch down there. All this is custom. I made that. All that's custom. I didn't build this console myself. My man's, he built this. He built the console. And he did the whole interior for me. But I came up with this whole concept, like the entire concept, like the whole bar and the double den with the iPad. iPad is detachable, it's in the house. I did that because I didn't see nobody, you know, with an old school with a bar on the inside. So that's how I came up with that. Sounds is pretty loud in here. That's what I'm known for. I do sounds. It's very loud. But yeah, little concept I came up with, man. I went with pink because of the fact that, excuse me, get so tired of, man. Every time I see somebody build a car or old school, they always go with tan or peanut butter interior, and it would have matched perfectly with this color. But I went with pink because it doesn't match. But the killer part about the combo is that when it's like out in the sun or I'm out driving and you got the T-tops and stuff off, it actually match. So it looked good because it's kind of like painting a silver car with a red interior, you know. It's the same contrast, like it match but it don't match. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna make this video too long. Nothing on this car is stock. The motor's not stock, the trans, the rear end, exhaust. It's nothing on this car stock. I wrapped that myself. That's wrap. And see, let me turn them off. Yeah. So I'm gonna let y'all see this. Everybody's, you want to see my car? I did an interview again. I'm gonna tell everybody so because I support everybody else's pages. It's an interview of me in this car, me driving it, sounds on and everything. If you go to marsoTV's page, you can see all of that. But yeah, she is about to be relocated. We make some changes, a lot of changes on it. Yeah, so yeah, y'all know what it is. See that? Yeah, we really do this car shit. But yeah, y'all know the team. Me and Ivo, we all come. Me, Ivo, Vail, everybody, Spin Gang Crazy. We got the shirts coming. We got a lot of stuff coming with that next year. We got a lot of stuff coming next year, man. But yeah. So when y'all look, let me tell y'all something too. When y'all be seeing cars that look like mine, this car been painted like 2 years. And it's only, this the only one painted this color. I've not seen another one painted this color. So I'm just showing y'all that that's when that light be hitting this motherfucker, it's a whole nother color. It's not kind of a different color. It's a whole nother color. Shout out to my brother. He had it first. My brother Snoop, he had this car first. Then my man's Pie had it. And then I went and got it from Pie. So a few, you know, a few little cosmetic things need to be done to it. But, you know, we be in the hood. We be riding and having fun with our friends and pulling up, kicking it. You know, we got so many cars. So I'm not trying to make it perfect. Me personally, I'm not trying to make it perfect. It's a toy to me. I barely drive. A lot of my friends will tell you I barely drive. I barely pull it out. Yeah, y'all see my name up there. But yeah, it's my toy. But yeah, another thing, I cover these on purpose. The 3.5s, they're a headache trying to not only put them in, but wiring them is a headache. Unless you're going like 5 1/4 or 6.5, it's just not worth the time or the work. for me personally, so I didn't do that. I just went with 4 6.5s in the front with the 2 tweeters. I was going to upgrade my sound system, but I really don't need to. It's 3 12s in here, a lot of amps, a lot of batteries. So like I said, it's just a toy, so I don't plan on making it perfect. It's fun, be having a good time in it when the whole squad is out and we riding. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all Cardi B real quick. I'm about to put her up. She about to get relocated. But yeah, y'all see how that motherfucker changed colors, like for real. It's not like kinda. And we talking about this is in a garage. This ain't even outside. Like it's sunny out there. If I pull that motherfucker in the sun, it's really gonna change. But just want to show y'all real quick what's going on. Cars for y'all. It's your boy Spooky. I want y'all to stay tuned to more videos. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends, share it, all this good stuff. Next summer, we will be doing it big for 2020. And we out. Me and Cardi B is out.